Hey everyone, this is Alan from AutoLearn. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a leaking tire. First, let's start by locating where the leak is. In this situation, we can see it clearly on the tire. It's a Robertson screw that embedded itself while the person was driving. In other situations, you can use a soap and water solution to spray around the wheel and you'll see the bubbling up. Let's go ahead and get started in removing this. You'll need a pair of pliers. Any set of pliers will do. A puncture tool. A tool in order to thread the actual patch, vulcanizing cement to seal it, the patch itself, and a lighter. Use a towel. This is in order to keep yourself clean. Firmly place your legs on either side. Get a good angle when trying to get the screw out, and lift. In this case, it came out quite easily. You might have to wiggle a little more in some other cases. Use the threading tool in order to make the hole just a little bit wider. That will make it way smoother when putting in the patch. A couple pumps should be enough. Next, you want to lubricate the patch with some vulcanizing cement. Make sure to thread it through and twist it at the end in order to make sure it's much smoother when putting in. Now, let's actually patch this hole. You want to twist as you're putting it in. Make sure it fully gets in there. It does help if you have the tire a bit inflated. However, that worked. Make sure you gently remove the tool. Now it's time for our final sealing process. Light the patch on fire and let it sizzle. Once the patch has stopped burning, you can cut off any excess and you should be ready to go to fill it up with air and back on the road. Make sure it looks like this before cutting off any excess. You want to make sure that the sealant really did its job and that the patch actually took. Next, you want to fill up the tire with air and then you should be on your way. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be many more to come.